What happened, baby? Huh? What's the matter? What they did to my baby boy? Huh? What happened, honey? Grandma's gonna take care of you, baby. Yeah. What happened? Huh? What happened? Huh? What they did to my baby? Hmm? Your sister gave you boo-boo in your leg, baby? Huh? Symphony gave you boo-boo yesterday? Isaiah, what happened to Grandma's baby? Huh? Baby, baby. What they did to the baby? Huh? What they did to my baby? Isaiah, what's the matter? Mommy coming tomorrow pick you up. Okay? Mama gonna take care of you. Mama's gonna take good care of you and Didi. Yeah. We're gonna hold you and give you your bottle. You're gonna be a good boy, right? Gonna be a good boy with Mama? Huh? Huh, baby? You're gonna be a good baby, right? What's the matter, honey? Isaiah, what's the matter, baby? What? You upset? Symphony gave you boo-boo in your leg? Huh? Your sister gave you boo-boo? She don't mean to, honey. She's a baby just like you. Right? Wee-hee. Isaiah. What's the matter, baby? Huh? You look just like your sister Kayla. So adorable. Baby, you look just like your father. That's what happens when we hate these men. The kids look just like them. Wee-hee. Isaiah, talk to Mama. Isaiah.